You okay?
I don't think I can make it.
No.
The footages that you saw here is from Novi AI. Today, I want to show you how to create a cinematic AI film using Novi. We're not just generating random cat videos. We're building a story like the video over here. So for this example, we are doing a very short action scene with an emotional twist. The story is very simple. We have a brother and a sister. They're fighting two dogs. They win the fight, but at the end, the brother is actually injured and doesn't make it. It's a short 30-second sequence. It has action, pacing, and emotion. Today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how we created that sequence from the characters, the environment, to generating the final result. The first thing we need to do is to create our characters. Now we want to head over to Novi AI. So first, head over to create image. Now instead of typing something simple, we want something descriptive. Especially since these are siblings, we want them to, look alike. So here's the prompt that I'm using. Asian man, short brown hair, sharp jawline, calm and protective expression, wearing a modern, dark, tactical agent outfit. Now, for the female protagonist, I want to type in Asian woman, long brown hair, soft but determined expression, wearing a fitted black agent outfit. White background, full body shot. And these are the results. Alright, so once you generated this, you get a few variations. Just, pick the ones that you like the most. The next step is very important if you want your characters to look very consistent. So what we're going to do is to create a character element sheet. This helps the AI understand how your characters look from multiple angles, so they don't randomly change later. Here's the prompt. Alright, so now we have a solid base for our characters. Next, we need a location. So for this story, we are going with an abandoned warehouse, something gritty and cinematic. And again, head over to create image, set your aspect ratio to 16:9 and generate a few options. Here's the prompt. Abandoned warehouse interior, broken window, dust in the air, industrial setting, dim cinematic lighting, light rays through cracks, concrete floor, metal structures, moody, dramatic, realistic, film still. You can generate about 3 to 4 images, so you have more to choose from. Alright, now that we have everything we need from characters and location, we move on to video generation. Head over to create video and we're gonna use Seedance 2.0. There are a few options here. So go ahead and upload your element sheet and your environment. And also I generated 2 images of these 2 dogs. I wanna upload them as well. And I recommend generating 15-second so that you have more footages to work with. So we wanna type in the prompt over here. Cinematic, realistic fight, brawl, quick cuts. And we're gonna generate this and let's look at the results. I would say that this is a pretty decent footage coming from Novi. And the motion feels very dynamic, lighting is pretty good, and the character stays relatively consistent. That is what's so good about Seedance 2.0. Now, we don't just stop. We repeat the process to build more shots. So let's say we already have the sister fighting the first dog. Now we want to create a more impactful moment. So let's have the brother fight the second dog, and then the brother is gonna hit the dog with a roundhouse kick, and upon impact, it's gonna go slow motion. So let's type in the prompt. So you can see what I'm doing here. I didn't just say that they're fighting. I kind of typed in, the actions that they are doing and also when to have that slow-mo shot. So that is how you get a much more cinematic results instead of a very generic fight scene. Alright, so now we have a few solid fight shots. Now we move into storytelling. This is where the emotional twist comes in. So after the fight, the brother is going to start to feel something is wrong. And then he feels dizzy, he eventually falls down. So we want to type in the prompt over here. The brother is exhausted. They just finished the fight at, reference the location. They smell subtly. And then the brother suddenly feels dizzy and he falls down. The sister is in shock. She goes down and holds him tight. She says, "Hey, are you okay?" And then the brother is weak and hurt. So this is the turning point. We go from a full aggressive fight scene to something that is more emotional. So let's look at the results.
Hey, you okay?
So right now we want to create our ending over here. The shot would go something like the sister is holding the brother's hand and then the brother is weak and then the brother just fades out and passed away. That is what I have in mind. So let's try to prompt this. The brother is on the ground. He is hurt and weak. The sister is holding him. She says, "No, no." And then the brother says, "I don't think I can make it." We cut into a wide shot. The camera slowly dolly out. Sad, emotional. So that would be the ending for our sequence over here. Now let's generate and let's look at the results.
I don't think I can make it.
No.
Alright, so now you have all your clips. It's time to bring them into your video editor. This is where you kind of cut away things that you don't want, add some music, add some emotions, and you have your scene ready. And let's have a look at the final results.
Hey, you okay?
I don't think I can make it.
No.
And there we have it. That's how you create a cinematic AI short film using Novi AI. As you can see, the results are actually very solid, especially for action scenes like this. And the best part is this entire process is very repeatable. You can just build scene by scene, control your prompts, and you can create something like this in less than an hour by just one person. Once you understand the workflow, everything becomes repeatable and you can make your own short films alone, just in front of a laptop or a computer. Just let your creativity out. So if you want to try this out, feel free to click the link in the description below. Check out Novi AI if you want to create short films like this. And there is a lot of image models on Novi AI as well. There is GPT Image 2, Seed Dream, Nano Banana, everything is on Novi AI. So if you want to check it out, feel free to click the link down below and sign up. So I hope you find this tutorial useful and go ahead and start creating the short films that you want. My name is Ryan Wei. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.